For anybody who's ever been broken. welcome to the stage the shed heads for the day. I don't think I have to do. We decided today we wanted to do something a bit special, so we all wore hats. Except James, who didn't wear his. So you can boo James, he can be the nasty pantomime villain. From the right, Mr. Kerry Beer. Mr. Genuine Mistad, who's the on bass, young Mr. Alex Andy Anderson. And the dapper look good guy at the back, the one who showed us all how it should look, Mr. James Law. James Law. And Mr. Jamie Nemeth's dad's son, Jamie Nemeth. We come from Carmarthenshire. Well, a bit of a mixture really, Carmarthenshire and Swansea really. And one of the great things about Swansea, I won't say the football team because I'm a Cardiff fan. So from Swansea, there's a very well-known local band in Swansea that we actually adore and love called Lost Tuesday Society. They've just released an album. If you like acoustic kind of folky music, please check them out. They're not paying us to say that, are they? Lost Tuesday. We like them so much, we wrote a song about them. And this is called Crumbs Maisie, which I named after the Perishers cartoon comic, which I saw when I was a kid. No, next one. Next one's a team song. So this is called Crumbs Maisie, inspired by Lost Tuesday Society and maybe just the smallest smidgen of an old 70s band called Jethro Tull. go climbing up the mountains. All I know is I dream the colors where I sleep while settling together. All the time begins the flowers, drifting up my lonely life. And looking for the light, like the yellow and the color sun, like the clouds out into the spotlight, like dark into the sunshine, and dancing right there each day. I should explain, we are not a band. All these musicians here today, apart from Owen and myself, they have no real idea what we're doing. We're doing this as we go along. So this really is the looks of terror. Are very, very real.
We are strap-ons.
I prefer bolt-ons, actually. This next song's a bit more kind of, more summery. As soon as it's a nice sunny day. We want to invoke a bit of sunshine, take you to much warmer, hotter climes. Porthcawl, you don't trust him, really. So you've got to imagine now you're on the beach, Porthcawl. It's sunny, the donkeys are there. The lovely smell of the Burger King wafting across the sands. This is a song for my wonderful, beautiful daughter Isabella, who is sat down there. Hello, Izzy. Hello. I wrote this song for my daughter. This is called Radio Song. It's got nothing to do with his name, really. Yeah. This is a sunny summer kind of day. Get your pina coladas out now. 1, 2, 3. Never mind, no use in worrying. Just turn the radio on, let the music start to play. Just smile and sing. Listen, I got a brand new song to sing. If you can find one, just join it. Beauty deep inside. Turn the radio on, fly away. Turn the radio on, fly away, 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 away. I'm just living the dream. I'm just living the dream. We're just living the dream. We're living the dream. Well now, Isabella Rockefeller, even though you're Titch, I can see you are amazing. You to me, you're so captivating. And every time you smile, you make my day. Cause I got a brand new song to sing. If you can find one, just join it. Beauty deep inside, where you have never been before. Find me right interesting things to do. Turn the radio on, fly away. Turn the radio I love the fact is that even though this song is about you, you're not listening, you're drawing pictures. It's a Sunday afternoon, it should be like this. So, each and every morning, as the skies begin to rain, never mind, no use in worrying. Just turn the radio on, let the music start to play. Just smile and sing. You see, if you can find one, just join in. Beauty deep inside where you have never been before. Find an interesting things to do. Turn the radio on.
Turn the radio on.
I'll fly away.
I'll fly away.
Just turn the radio on.
Turn the radio on.
Fly away, 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 away. Tequila. That's a summer song, isn't it? The summer's coming, it's here, it's here. Yeah. Okay, this time we're going to really take a punt now. So you'll have to forgive us some. The Phantom of the Opera is here. This is the cover version.
I won't take no much. It's fading away. I can't feel you anymore. No more. What you say? I'm gonna stay. I'm gonna make you feel for that great big hole in my heart. People talking all around. Watch out, woman. No longer. Since you're gonna be in my heart. You've been bad to me, woman, but it's coming back home to you. Your time is gonna come. 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 Jamie, Jamie,
You'll have to excuse James. He played in hard rock bands in the 70s, but it was a long ending. We're now in unknown territory, ladies and gentlemen. We're in the outer regions of space. We've been asked to do a radio show for our sins, a fundraising benefit, and we decided literally 10 o'clock this morning that we're going to do a little kind of collection of Led Zeppelin songs because we're all big fans of Led Zeppelin. So we thought, why not, as we're in the Millennium Centre, and it's quite a big deal for us because, trust me, most of the pubs in Carmarthen don't look like this place. The stages are slightly smaller, and we don't do any Kings of Leon, so we're all a bit of a loser, really. No, but if you want it. So this is going to be a road test, because it's obvious, you know, a lovely gig like this, we should road test new songs we've never ever played before. So if this does go wrong, please bear with us, it's us being incredibly brave. Yeah, there's a star next to it. It's just D and G, except for the chorus, which has got a D minor.
Too much wine. Made up my mind to make a new start. I'm going to California with the naked in my heart. Chances of the jet plane, never let them tell you we're all the same. Whoa, see where the sky was gray, I wondered how long today. Mountains and the canyons got a tremble and shake cat. Begin to awake. Watch out, people, watch out! See the north of the guys got a bunch on the nose. It's starting to blow. I think I might be sinking. Run me a line if I reach you down. I'll meet you up there where the breath runs straight. Guitar and cries. Yes, she said. Ride a white mare, the footsteps of dawn, trying to find a woman who's never ever been born. Standing down a hill in a mountain of dreams, I tell myself it's not as hard as it seems. Oh, it gets so hard, so very hard, even at my age. Next time. You will all be there next time when we'll get it right, yes?
Order and breakfast. Okay. We get to that time where we're in that song. Are we doing it? What more do you think? Habitat's so full of guitar straps, then should have gone to IKEA. That'll do. One more, that's it. Yeah.
That's what you're going to play.
made you mine. Kind woman, nothing more. Oh, little drops of rain, on pain, the tears of love lost in the days gone by. Oh my, 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 our love is strong. to the hole in the ship? Is he about? We've lost our sound man somewhere. Haunted Castle, please. We're going to go straight back to the beginning of today's set, just for one song if you'll bear with us, and go back to doing a very personal song for the empty shed. This is it's quite emotional to do it here actually. What's the tune for it? Yeah, the tune for it. I should explain normally, when it's just me and I, we play a lot of stuff in tunings. Today we've done a lot of stuff in standard tunings, so sorry for that. Wherever you are, man.
Well, when we get there, no. Good morning, summer rain. Please tell me what's in store for me. Please tell me, summer rain, why does it have to be? Tell me, please explain to me why it is things have to be this way. How long now, summer rain? Until the summer sun returns. When will it end, this pain? When will I see again?
going to be our last song today. So, I know we've said it several times today, but thank you very much for being here today. This next song is actually a test for our bass player. So you have to watch him, and if he pulls a funny face, it means he missed the beat. I'm an old man, so they tell me. My kids tell me all the time. When I was younger, I used to have hair. I used to be a bit of a kind of hippie. A bit of a hippie, I was a hippie, yeah. And we used to do kind of protest songs, and I stood outside at Newbury, outside the police stations at night. Somewhere along the line, we seem to have kind of missed and skipped a couple of generations. They kind of like apathy crept in. And so, when I came back to do this kind of musical thing again, this journey, I thought I've got to do this song because it's about passing on to generations. So if you take nothing away from today, please take away what I thought. When you see somebody from the younger generation, and they say, no point in having a go, no point in protesting, no point in signing petitions, no point in going on marches. Explain to them there is a point. As long as, whatever it is you're fighting against, as long as you fight battles, then whatever you're fighting against can't win a war. Personally, for me at the moment, it's fracking. Fracking is bad news. So I wrote this song for anybody who's over the age of 28 to pass on to the next generations. Please take that one forward and explain passionately, argue, because that's what we've got to do. Because the world's getting crazy by the moment. I've got 5 minutes left, so I'm going to get on. Each and every day, each and every day, you know I get a bit older. And each and every day, you know I see a little less love in this world. And each and every day, each and every day, you know I get a bit colder. And each and every day, you know I get a little more pissed off being PC. It's not me, it's it. Because if you knew me, you know that I would much rather be. Oh, I'd be the first in line, the last to leave. I'd be the So I'll just be me. They can keep all their tokens and their bitter pills of shame, for the chain remains unbroken, faith and hope will still remain. We will climb up the mountains, we will sail the stormy seas, we will fill up the fountains for the ones we'll never see, and they can keep all their tokens and their bitter pills of shame, for the chain remains unbroken, faith and hope will still remain. Everybody here today, please, 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 don't give up. The world is getting crazy by the day. Don't give up. Just believe, find something positive. All of you. You can climb up the mountains, you can sail the stormy sea, you can fill up the fountains for the ones you'll never see, and they can keep all their tokens and their bitter pills of shame, for the chain remains unbroken, faith and hope they still remain. So each and every day, each and every day, you know, I get a bit older. But each and every day, you know, I'll find a little love. A little bit of love for this world. Gonna find a little love. Gonna find a little love. Gonna find a little bit of love. Gonna find a little bit of love. A little more love. We wanna thank you. We wanna thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, on the far right, in the best hat of the day. Oh yeah, sorry, second best hat of the day. From the Ragged Tigers, Mr. Carey Beer. In what is truly, definitely the best hat of the day. From Henry Martin's Ghost, the Occasional Domestics, any other band you're in? No, just those two. It's Jamie's dad, whose name I still don't know. My partner in crime, the Queen of the Tings, Miss Eileen Boyd, ladies and gentlemen. The man who's only missed one beat so far in this song. The youngest member of our troupe, but possibly the most organised and sensible of all of us, Mr. Alexander Anderson. Behind me on the keyboards, some people thought he was called Earthworm Jim. But no, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to tell you, Mr. Dapper Jim Laws. come on. Thank you so much. Good afternoon. And the sound guy, can we have a big round of applause for the sound guy?